For my addition strategy, I'm doing adding up in chunks. So for adding up in chunks, what it teaches is a strategy for students to use when they don't recognize the number to break down an unfamiliar number into numbers that they understand and then add that way. So here's an example. We have 44 plus 10. Now 10 ends in a 0. It's a nice round whole number that we like. 44, not as round as most of the time we like. So here we can break this one down into 40 and 4. Now 40 is a nice round number and 4 is nice and small and neat. So here we could try 40 plus 10. So 40 plus 10 gives us 50. And then we can add that 4, which gives us 54. Here we have 44 plus 20. Again, 20 ends in a 0 and it's nice and round, so I'm going to leave that one whole. 44, I'm going to break it down into 20 and 24, which I'll break down into a 20 and a 4. So here I can do 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 4. So 20 and 20 is 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 4 is 64. So 44 and 20 is 64. Now the thing with the adding up in chunks is you must keep one number whole. We can't chunk both numbers. That's a different strategy. Here we're just chunking the one number that gives us the most difficulties. So here we have 30 and 44. Again, I'm going to break down that 44. I'm going to do it into 40 and 4. And I'm going to leave my 30 alone. So here we can do 40 plus 4 plus 30. I know 40 and 30 is 70. And I can do 70 plus 4, which gives me 74. So 44 plus 30, 74. Now here we have 44 and 35. 35 is kind of a nice round number. It ends in 5. 5s and 0s are easy to add and subtract. So again, I'm going to separate the 44 into 40 and 4. So here I have 35 plus 40 plus 4. So 35 and 40 gives me 75. 75 plus 4 gives me 79. Let's do one more number string so we know that we got it. All right, we're going to do some slightly bigger numbers now. So we're going to do 345 plus 200. So here 200, nice zeros. So 345 we can break into 345. So we have 300 plus 200, which gives me 500. And then we'll take our 500 and we'll add our 45, which gives us 545. Way less scary. Here's another one. 345 plus 450. So I like how 450 looks, so again I'm going to separate my 345. So we'll do 300, and we'll do 40 and 5. So here I can do 450 plus 300, which gives me 750, plus 40, which gives me 790, plus 5, which gives me 795. We'll do one more. We have 345 plus 457. I'm going to keep 345 because this one's going to be my round number in this problem. So here I'm going to break it into 400, 50, and 7. So I'll do 345 plus 400, which gives me 745. And then I'm going to do 745 plus 50, which gives me 795. And then we're going to do 795. And you know what? Plus 7 isn't very round to me, so I'm going to break 7 into 5 and 2. So we'll do 795 plus 5 gives me 800. And 800 plus 2 gives me 802. There we go.